Old John Deere Model A. Spool to hook up a belt for a thrasher or something. Then you have your steering and all your controls up here. It would be manual, no power steering on this one, so it'd be pretty hard to steer. And then back here you got old linkage for 3-point there. Got a drawbar down there. Had a actually have a PTO on this one right there. And then the rest of the tractor looks like it's in pretty good condition for the age of it, but that could be a fun tractor to drive. Got the engine and everything in here. It's a 2-cylinder, I believe. That's about it.